Hi guys, today I'll be working on this Hyundai Santa Fe. Today I'll be doing a radiator replacement. So it's a bit leaking. So I'll show you where it's looking from. It's looking from beneath. You can see where it's looking from. After I've done my water test, this is where the coolant is looking from. And I just want to do a change on it, and it'll be pretty much easy. And how to carry out this job, you just need to move the front bumper, then move this bolt and this bolt holding the radiator, remove the fan. There's a fan behind. It's just 3 bolts beneath there. That is one there, and there. So you can see it's completely out. The old radiator is completely out, and so where it's looking from. And you can see all these bits are gone. And this is my new one. I'm gonna put it in straight on here. I'm gonna put it straight on, bang on. Yeah, and you can see the supporting clips there and there, and have that one, and we have that one. Move this pipe. Yeah, it's pretty much easy. You just have to detach the fan for the condenser. Yeah, so you can see it's all completely in. That's 2 bolt tight, that one tight, triple clip, that is the radiator pipe in, core fan, all tight. Even this clip is clipping. So everything is in. The next is just to like pour some coolant in, then start it up, do some bleeding. Yeah, then we check for any water leak. That's how it goes. So you can see I've started up, top of coolant. You can see coolant. You can see there's no leak. And I did some bleeding. Just turn it up to the highest. Yeah. Cheers.